Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show only filtered data in Power BI charts. This is incredibly useful when you want to focus on specific segments of your data and make your visualizations more dynamic and interactive for your audience. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, open your Power BI desktop application. Once you're in, we'll start by creating a graph that we can then filter. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a panel labeled Visualizations. This is where all your chart options live. Go ahead and click on any chart type you'd like to use. For this tutorial, we'll keep it simple with a standard chart. Now that you've selected your chart, it's time to add your data. Look for the X-axis field and drag or add country into it. This will serve as your horizontal axis, showing different countries. Next, add sales to the Y-axis field. This will display the sales figures for each country on your vertical axis. At this point, you should see a basic chart visualizing sales data across different countries. Here's an important step. Click somewhere on your report page outside of the graph you just created. This action will deselect the chart, which is necessary because we're about to add a new element and we don't want it to be part of the existing chart. Make sure nothing is highlighted before moving forward. Now go back to the Visualizations panel and look for the slicer icon. It typically looks like a funnel or filter symbol. Click on it to add a slicer to your report page. The slicer is a powerful interactive tool that allows users to filter data across all visuals on the same page. With your slicer selected, you need to define what it will filter. In the Field section, input country. This tells Power BI that your slicer should list all the countries from your dataset. Once you add it, you'll see a list of countries appear in your slicer visual. And that's it. Your setup is now complete. To see it in action, simply click on any country within your slicer. Watch as your graph instantly updates to show only the filtered data for that specific country. This dynamic filtering makes it incredibly easy to analyze specific segments without having to create multiple separate charts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.